Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to talk about Milton medical box. So this is the Amazon choice and I got it from Amazon.in, and it was part of the lightning deal or something when I brought it. So I brought it like 169 to 170 bucks, I think. So here we go. So it arrived in this box yesterday morning. Which is like a day after I booked, so yeah, it arrived a bit early. So this is the medical box, and the funny thing about this box is that it says medical box, and it has the pictures of all the medicines in here, everywhere, and also in the website you have pictures of medicine inside the box, but actually it's just a box because it's mentioned like in one of the points, like really below, it's not mentioned in the title or the item name that there is no medicine in the box, but it's mentioned in somewhere in the corner or something. It's one of the descriptions saying that it doesn't have a medicine included in the box, but everywhere it's just with the medicine. So it's really weird because I even thought that the medicine is gonna be in there, but it's a no. So anyways, just opening this box. Okay, so here we go. Okay, that's the medicine box. This is the one. There's nothing else inside this package. The package is basically consists of this box, and there's pictures of medicines. As you can see over here, they have given different compartments for I don't know, just pictures of it. You see that? So it comes with a handle to hold it, pretty easy. The picture of the box is also pretty big in the picture, but there is no relevance in the size, like what is the dimension of this particular box, but it's looking pretty small. When you compare with the picture on the website, it looks pretty big. Anyways, let's go forward, open this box. So it's completely plastic. So it opens like this, and then like that. And you see this is a picture. Pretty amazing. I'm really impressed. And this is the stuff. So this you can decide. You can pretty much keep the bottles over here. You can just put it on the side, or wait, it cannot go this side. So it should be obviously this side. Keep the bottles. So here you go. So this is where you keep the bottles and stuff. And here are the tablets and stuff over here on the top. This is not a travel-friendly box. You cannot put this in a baggage or something. If it is a small box, then yeah, you can put it in your backpack or in your handbag or something, but this won't fit in your backpack or in your handbag because it's like fat, and yeah, you cannot think about that either. So I'm pretty convinced for the price that 162 bucks you're gonna get the box. So I'm thinking, okay, so I'm just gonna give like 3 to 4 stars for this, maybe 3 star, because the price is pretty low, and the product quality is not that bad. So this should be good, and this is made in India, which is pretty good as well. Okay? So thanks for seeing this review, and make sure you buy something, because there are other options where they give medicine in the box itself. So you can buy that, or else you can buy this one. So it's your choice. So thanks for watching.